Look at this. I think they always take out the 13th floor
Yeah.
because it's bad luck. 10th floor. 1010. Where? This is your room. Oh, we got this one. Oh, that's our stuff. Thank you. Oh, snap. Let me put this in here. You want to help him? Ouch. Yeah, that was very heavy.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Are you for luggage?
What was that?
For luggage?
Yes, just for. Thank you. All right, so it comes with a fridge. We're gonna put some stuff in there.
Give him a tip.
Oh, he just left.
I feel bad.
You see that? Butter nice. This is butter nice. A bench for Sylvia to sleep on. I got this king bed for myself. And then this is the view. Oh yeah, the guy, he was like, I said, oh, I was here since 2002. He was like, wow, back then this whole place was grass. Oh, the views, this is the views. This,
Interesting.
yeah, they're doing construction.
Yeah.
Cool, what was that flash? Yeah, we walked really far today. That place just looks so old school down there. And then it's like just giant buildings, new. Down there's like old Philippines. It looks so thing. Okay, let me watch out. Here's the bathroom. Wow. Oh, okay. Dental set. Toilet. It's not Japanese toilet, but it's good. I don't know if you can open that. Oh, they have the rain, what's it, overhead rain shower thing? That's nice. Cool, 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 cool. That's the hotel. Pretty nice. Oh, free breakfast. We have free breakfast. Is this locked? Okay. So after that little adventure we had, we took a quick nap because someone was tired. Not me.
Yes, you. Cause
You.
I fell asleep first, and then you were supposed to wake me up. So I fell asleep first, and Izzy was supposed to wake me up, but obviously he fell asleep too, and we fell asleep for 5 hours.
Yeah, okay. Anyways, we woke up and we got dinner. We got KFC and we have Burger King. We'll try the KFC first, real quick. So for KFC, we got spaghetti. No, it's good, it's good. We got spaghetti from KFC. They don't have that in America, right?
Mm-mm.
I just want to get a little first impression. It does.
Smell like pasta?
It looks like the pasta from Jollibee, to be honest. I don't know how it tastes, because Jollibee spaghetti is like sweet, because I don't know, they use banana ketchup, I think, or something. But there's like
sausage in there?
Yeah, there's like hot dogs in here. There's like shredded cheese on top. So we'll see how it tastes like. If it's all right, let's try this.
Does it taste exactly like Jollibee's?
Exactly like Jollibee. Exactly like Jollibee. KFC spaghetti is exactly like Jollibee.
But what does it taste like though? Is it like
It's sweet because I think they use like banana ketchup or something. I forgot. This, what is this? Oh, sisig.
Oh, that's right.
So we have the sisig from KFC. Let me unlock this real quick. Look at that. It comes with egg and sisig. I don't know what pork sisig. I don't know what that is. It looks crunchy. I think there's chicken in here actually. And there's like some sauce on top, some type of sauce. I don't know what that is. Mayonnaise or
cheese
something?
and some sort of like mayonnaise.
Okay, let's try this.
And sisig is like just, what is that?
It's like chopped meat. Mm-hmm. But it looks like there's chicken. Like there's like crispy chicken pieces in it. Let me try it. Let me just try the meat and then I'll try everything all together.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
What does it taste like?
Honestly, it tastes like chicken. Like a turkey, like chicken nuggets, not the chicken nuggets, chicken tenders. Like the KFC original flavor. You know, the original flavor, the not the
Yeah.
crispy. It tastes like that.
And
But it's spicy. It's getting spicy. It's kind of spicy. Let me try everything all together. It's pretty. It's not. Let me get it with rice too. Like there's pieces of chicken like nuggets and stuff, or chicken tenders on top of rice.
looks delicious. A big bite. You like it? Is it savory? Is it sweet? Is it like how's the sauce? Like isn't it anything to compare it with?
How did the spaghetti taste to you?
It's sweet.
Spicy.
It is savory. It's like pasta sauce, but like slightly sweeter.
The seasick is like pretty spicy. Oh, I want to try to drink actually. Let me get my drink. The Mountain. I don't know if America is like this, but look how crazy green this is. The Mountain Dew in Philippines. Is it like this in America?
No.
Right? I was like, I saw the guy drinking. I was like, oh, I want to try that. Is this Mountain Dew zero sugar?
It's like some gravy on top. The white sauce is the gravy.
Okay. Tastes like Mountain Dew. The bottle is just like really green. But it looks like it's like glowing on the screen though. It looks crazy. It's like radioactive.
Yeah.
Turns to Incredible Hulk or
It
something.
looks like toxic waste.
This is the Burger King menu. I want to get this out the way real quick just so I could. Oh, look at the bag. It comes. They're separate. I didn't know that. This is the Biscoff Sundae or whatever. It looks really good. Like there's like pieces of Biscoff. Honestly, when I saw it, I thought it had mango in it. That's why I wanted it. Okay, I'm gonna try it real quick. Biscoff. Ooh. Yeah. It tastes delicious. But it's really good. This is really good. This is like a soft serve ice cream.
With Biscoff crumbs.
Sevia got the angriest Whopper. I'm not trying this because it's spicy and there's vegetables. Or maybe I should, huh? Look at that, it's red. That look hecka scary. Do they have this? Oh, well, you went to Burger King. Did they have it?
No.
They didn't have this red one. Okay.
I don't know if that's a Whopper. I think it's a Junior Whopper or something.
Oh, yeah, it's a Junior Whopper. Oh, there's piccolos.
Try a little bit for like your viewers.
Yeah, okay. I'll try side with no pickles. So I think it might be spicy. If I die, it's your fault. I'm telling my mom on you.
Not spicy.
Oh yeah, a little spice on my tongue. I think, yeah, it's a little spicy. Look at how red it is. Here, try it out. I got another sandwich. It came with, well, it didn't really come with because I had to buy extra, but I don't want to dirty it. It came with, well, you know, it's a
It was a partnership with.
partnership with One Piece. One Piece. All right, so the hotel smells like durian fruit.
It's not because of me. It's because of Izzy.
I don't know who eats durian around here, but someone filled up the room. It came with, it has a one piece. If they have this, I don't know if they have this in America, but
Whoa.
like, oh, this is dope.
Turn around.
Look at this. Okay, I got they have a black one and a white one. The black one had Luffy's brother, Ace. This one is Luffy and Sanji.
I kind of want one.
Luffy is cooking, bro, and then Sanji's right here, who's a cook for the crew. This is hecka cool.
It's so cool. I kind of want
This
one
is
now.
dope. And look at this. His pirate sign, I forgot what they called it. It has a Burger King crown on it.
That's
And I got the it was a chicken sandwich with no pickles. Yeah, lettuce, chicken, like mayonnaise or something. It looked longer in the picture, to be honest. I was worried.
chicken sandwich.
Tastes like a regular chicken sandwich. Okay. All right, so the day was apparently not over. I wanted to try this place. This is Pan de Manila. They sell pandesal. I wanted the plain pandesal. So we got the ube cheese pandesal. We got the ensaimada plain. That's just butter and sugar, I think. We got, last but not least, uh-oh, my neck is itchy. Cinnamon pandesal. Ube cheese. So, ooh, wait. Yeah, it smells like, I smell the cheese. It smells like a pandesal.
Don't you need your pills? Take your pills with it. Is the ube strong?
There's like a ube jam inside.
Ooh.
And I don't know what that is in the inside. Is that cheese? It can't be cheese.
It might be cheese. Yeah. Let me see. No, it might be bits and pieces of the
Right
ube.
there. That white part.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, it might be the cheese or butter.
I feel like it could be butter, but the texture looks weird. It's very good. Okay. It was sweet. It's pretty good. Cheesy. She likes it. Her face was so excited. This is the cinnamon pandesal. He's supposed to be sleeping. Well,
What time is it right now?
I don't know. 10 something.
He said good morning, the person, the guy in the front. He's like, good morning.
Is
And I
it
said,
12 a.m.?
I'm like, it's morning already?
Okay, this is a cinnamon pandesal. I've never had it. I've just had plain pandesal, wheat pandesal. I've never had any of these flavors, so yeah.
Cinnamony, sweet. What is it?
Kind of dry.
Oh, wow.
A little dry. It tastes good though. It's very sweet and cinnamony. This was a little softer. The ensaimada. This is just plain. I think it's just butter and sugar.
Not into it.
The texture it leaves on my tongue is like a slimy. Anyways, the food is good. The pandesal was good. I like the ube. Yeah, that's what I wanted to try.